look, it's her third egg. I just watched it come out of her butt. Or, for all you people that don't like saying butt, it came out of her ass. That's pretty cute. Oh yeah, I tried to do something funny. I took a kitchen egg, he knows, and I hid it here. The next time she comes, she's gonna find this egg. She's gonna be like, she's probably gonna see it. Maybe she's gonna peck it. I don't know. She's cleaning up her egg right now. Should I turn it in like her other two eggs, or should I just leave it for her to, you know, clean up? She seems to be staying in there, so I should let her have some time with the egg before I take it away and eat it. I'm not gonna eat it. We haven't eaten any of the other eggs yet. There's still eggs in there. Ah, there she goes. All that noise. See that one over there? That one, scratching all the one. It went like a siren. It went like this. And it kept doing that for so long. I woke up to that. It was so loud. Well, this one is my chicken Nugget. Hello. She just gave birth to an egg. Look at the little baby. Look at the baby. Her eggs are small because she's not like a huge chicken. Alright, I'll show you the huge chickens. Here's a scaredy cat. Here's Corn. Yeah, there she goes. Chipmunk, what are you doing? This is Chipmunk. This is Henrita. She has her crown, so I think she's the alpha chicken. I don't know why they call it the alpha chicken. And that's Toast. That's my brother's chicken. Toast, the black one. That one's Henrita, the brown one. Oh, she came out. She's drinking water. This is my first time watching a chicken give birth in real life. There she is. I mean, I guess she would. Oh yeah, I was pretty bored, so I spelled my brother's name out in rice. His full name is Elijah, but he likes being called Eli. Here it goes. Yeah, we feed the chickens like clean water, but then they just mess it up and turn into poop water. Or people who don't like saying poop, shit water. Yeah, it's pretty disgusting. I don't know what to do. They like drinking crap. What if our eggs taste like crap? Oh, that's gonna be nasty. Crap eggs. Oh, you little chicken. I'm surprised it doesn't smell like crap. And it's still warm. Your egg's warm. Should I shake? Nah, I shouldn't shake it. What if there's a baby in there? I mean, if the egg hasn't been fertilized, I don't even know how you fertilize an egg. Like roosters, they have their ways. I'm gonna just spill my can't speak today. Yeah, because tomorrow I have to get back on the bus and go back to school. Yeah, these chickens, they really love rice. Like if you get some rice in your hand, I think it's brown rice. I think. These chickens are a pain. Ow, 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 ow. That one hurt.
I guess Nugget's sounding the alarm now. Oh, Nugget's scared because it thinks you're gonna ruin her egg. Don't touch her egg. Come on, don't touch her egg. Touch her egg and you get no rice. Oh, she's scared of me now. If I was a chicken, I'd kill every other chicken that tried to touch my egg. It's my baby, my egg. I don't want to be a chicken though. They just live up to be dinosaurs again. These dino nuggies. Delicious. I haven't even tried one. Even McDonald's. I've tried McDonald's. I like McDonald's nuggets even though they're fake. You just laid an egg and now you're walking everywhere? Are you serious? Can you guess what tree that is? It's a plum tree. Shut up. You should be eating some food. Wait, what if I cover her egg in rice? She won't know anything. Oh, it's covered. There, that should keep her egg warm. If it doesn't, I'll just add some of this pine on it. She won't know where her egg is. There you go. Her egg's all nice and toasty. And then try and get her to come here. And see, her egg's missing. And I don't even have her egg. Woman, you just gave birth. Come to me. Come to me, birth. Oh, there's a rock in my shoe. Oh, I just stepped on a nail. Oh, I can't get the nail. Get out of my foot. It's not coming out of my shoe. Oh, I guess I have no shoe now. It's stuck there. Oh, there's so much chicken poo everywhere. These darn chickens. Oh, yeah. There we go. Well, there's another hole added. These damn chickens, they poop everywhere. Get over here. Nugget, come. Nugget, come. Get over here. Get over here. Don't wrestle with me. Don't wrestle with me. You stay. Sit. Get over here. Get. Come over here. I have to grab you with my phone. You're disgusting. Your feathers all over my mouth. Now, go back in here and with your non-existent egg. Where's my egg? Where's my egg? Hold on, she's gonna start digging. I don't have your egg. It's not in my pockets. It's not in my pockets. Look, your egg's over here. Buck, buck. Hey, Buck, Buck, your egg's over here. Still warm. It wants the mom. You monster! You just made this. I'm keeping the egg in my pocket then. This egg will soon know that I'm its mom. And then we will eat it. This crazy person doesn't know what parenting is because we took both of her eggs away. Oh, what's that? My pockets are warm, so they should be good for the egg. Get in there. Tush. The dogs, they're hiding because they're afraid of the chickens. Have you ever heard that? Dogs being afraid of chickens. Yeah, chickens are like crazy. What a cute egg. This is 10 minutes of nonsense and talking. I don't know if you're even watching this, but let's just put this egg back. Keep it warm. We've got a new shirt. Delta Charter, home of the dragons. Did you even see that? Sorry, I don't know how to hold a phone correctly. Mainly on my computer. And she's eating. Just throw some rice down. They need rice. Get some rice. Get some rice. Get. No. I was reading an article about chickens, and it said chickens eat their own eggs if they have calcium deficiency. I hope our chickens don't do that. Oh, there they go. They're inside. They're all coming out. They're going in without you, Toast. You're mine. All mine. Oh, my phone. Oh, you scraped my pinky. Get back here. Toast. Toast. Get in here. Get in. Stay. You stay. Stay. You're stepping on the egg. Bug, 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 buggy. Don't. Ow. They love stepping on my leg. Wait, no. Best idea. Oh. Who, do you hear that? Oh, I think I popped the yolk. Oh, crap. Let's just put this egg. They'll never notice. And then we fly. Oh yeah. Let me tell you a story about this chicken, Penguin. It was my mom's favorite. I miss Penguin. He loved to stay in my pockets all the time. Curl up in there and sleep. But then, when he got older, way older, before the chickens looked like that with that nasty crown and that weird grayish pale face, before those chickens got those, in the morning, Penguin was practicing his cock-a-doodle-doos. And my dad was out there, and now he was a rooster. So I had to go with my dad, drive down 3 a.m. to a farm, and drop him off. Yeah, he was under the car trying to come back and couldn't. Oh, these chickens are hearing everything. They're getting demonetized. Not demonetized. They're like, I'm pretty sure they forgot about him. Apparently the thing said chickens can get, oh, a butterfly. It's circling around me. Oh, I hate them. They're just so weird and nasty. Alright, fine. If I let you out, you shut up. What was I saying again? Oh yeah, the article. Huh. I'm gonna crack that egg. Should I record everything? Yes, I should. No, she found the eggs. She's sitting on them. You can crack that egg. That one's nasty. I think the yolk popped. Ow! I always never see that. This is my egg now. Oh wait, what is she doing? She's caring for that egg. She sees that the egg is extremely cold. She's knocking it everywhere. Who is that? I think they do it to like cheer up the one like laying the egg. I don't know. Oh, there it is. Let's go turn this egg in. Oh, poor egg. You just got birth and I have to let you go. If you love me, let me go. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna let you down. Never gonna.
Where are you? Are you ahead of me?
Yeah.
That sweater.
Why?
Wash it. I'm washing it right now. Come on.
Oh,
Guys, I'm washing the stuff. You be.
I know.
put this egg right here.
We're officially evil. I don't like
Chickens are gonna scratch up my arm again.
I'm having fun.
How crazy! I'm wearing green under green.
Let's find a dolphin and let's find a wreck. That's another type of Minecraft, isn't it, Ramsey? There, they found us. They found us. Go. Sit in another. Go. Go this way. He's coming back. Wait. Hold on.
Hey, is this still recording? Yep it is. Look at how tiny it is. It's like a quail egg. Oh, there's stuff all over my screen. What are you doing? Is there like a little cult happening here? Do you lay your eggs in the... Oh look, she's taking care of it. I'm still sniffing this egg. It smells weird. You take care of that egg. I'm gonna turn this in. Alright, Nugget. Say your last goodbyes. What are you doing? What are you intending to do to the egg? Ah, I hate this thing going off. Yeah, you have to care for your egg. But the egg's smooth. I like it smooth. It's a bit heavy for a small egg. Yeah, care for your egg. Let's just put this in my shirt. Let's hope it doesn't fall. Oh. Let's just put this right here. Yeah, what was that wet stuff?
Yoink. You're recording, you know that, right?
Yes,
I'll give you so much copyright. Subscribe to Blazer YT. Blazer_YT. It's better.
Down there is the Deep
Its
Dark.
biggest
Not a
hole.
fun place. The Deep Dark is home to one monster, Wart, and since I'm surviving there for the next 24 hours with nothing, let's see how much damage it does. That's a lot. Alright, we'll try iron. How much damage? You surely done. Yeah, you need full protection to diamond armor to survive one hit. So I invited my friend to survive with me as bait. I mean, apart. Francie, where are you? Okay, here we go. And we already have a problem. Okay, why? I'm crouching. I thought these things couldn't hear me if I crouched. A smoke sensor. Walking anywhere near it, it says, "Yo, I hear that. Hey, Shrieker, you should summon a warden." Normally, skulks can't hear you when crouching, but we're filming a YouTube video. Guess what makes sound? Is it here? baseball. You get 3 strikes before you're out. Except out means dead. I hear a voice. Oh, Francie! Francie! Where are you? Dude, I've already looted a chest. I got food.
Stupid Minecraft.
Okay. Oh, don't.
I mean, don't get me wrong, Minecraft's fun. It's just when your brother watches it almost every day, it gets annoying. So I wonder what you heard. Do you really hate the bottom bunk that much? That you're laying there? You're laying there? Hey, why do we even make a bottom bunk? Look. Alright, let's give her some time. Her butt seems to be retracting, so she seems to be laying an egg. I'll check back in when she lays it. Lays it or is about to lay it. Like when she's like curled up in the corner. I think that'll be her first egg. Yeah. She's doing the same stuff as Nugget, so let's just wait. Bye for now.